Oh, what's ube? I'm glad you
It's
asked.
like umami and sweet cream coming in your mouth and giving the flavorgasm that makes you question all of your life choices. Is that too much? It's like your taste buds just discovered a rave where purple sweet potatoes and marshmallows were all invited, and everything got weird, and then people left covered in purple glitter. If Vanilla were too cool for school, and he decided to have a hot tub party with a sweet potato and slather themselves in umami. It's like if butterscotch and marshmallow did the Eiffel Tower with a pie crust. Well, Hazelnut was watching in the corner. So wrong. Suffice to say, ube will change your life. It's as if umami and sweet cream had a baby, and it is incredible. You could go to $8 and have the Siren's Green coffee blood for an absurd amount of money because you want to have the stupid status symbol with over roasted coffee beans, or you can make it at home yourself with this little guy. I got it on the TikTok shop. This will last you probably a year. Just 2,000 drops. I use 8 drops in my latte. So good. Tell me your ube jokes, please. I want to hear them.